Ready to have your mind blown? Repeat after me and watch what happens after just 24 hours. But the trick is, you have to believe what I'm about to tell you as truth. And in that way, you feel it in your heart as a total belief and conviction that what we're about to say out loud is your now reality. Because you and I, we're living in the matrix. It's a sacred simulation, and if you can alter your identity with the words that we're about to say in this video, you can change your life and transform it 100%. Before we get into it though, make sure you subscribe and bookmark this video so you come back to video and let us know the amazing miracles, blessings, and wins that start to come from following these words. Are you ready for this? Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, nowhere to go. Nothing to do, just right here in this moment. Another breath in, another breath out. Now, repeat after me exactly. This is a simulation and I command it. I bend reality with my thought. And this matrix responds to my thought. I shift timelines with total ease. And I now remember who I truly am. I am a master at collapsing time. I awaken from the illusion. And energy is my true currency. Whoa, something just happened to me. I just had a huge money amount enter my bank account. I almost have tears of joy knowing it's all working out. I choose the timeline where I thrive. Now with me, take another deep breath in, another deep breath out. We're about to go into part 2, which is the most important. Make sure you watch this entire video, do the whole thing. Another breath in, another breath out. Before part 2, we need to activate part 1, and you're going to comment, "It's already happened." It's already happened. Make sure you comment that below before part 2 so you're activating the energy. And also before we enter part 2, you're going to want to join in my Manifestation Accelerator that gives you step-by-step systematic manifesting ways so that you know what to do after this video as well. We're going to go right to that real quick. Most people are struggling in manifesting because they have so much down, they have no idea how to apply this material. That's why I created the Manifestation Accelerator course. It's a proven model to help you step by step on a daily basis what to do, how to do it to manifest your best results ever. Click the link in the description below. 2,500 clients have won through this exact system. We'll start your transformation today. I'll see you on the inside. Okay, and now we're back. Here's part 2. One more breath in and one more breath out right here in this moment. My thoughts program the simulation. This is my quantum playground. Whoa, something amazing again happened in my life. I just received more money out of the blue. I feel relief in every cell of my being. I am the source code and the coder. And every day from here, miracles play out. My magnetism is drawing amazing things to me. And this moment is a sacred portal. My life is more amazing than I could ever possibly imagine. And money has become the easiest thing in my life. And so it is. Now, to claim and solidify part 2, go ahead and also comment below, I am the source code. I am the source code. And make sure you share the love, throw a like on this if you haven't already. You're claiming the energy, and share this with somebody who also needs to say these words out loud. They also need to be in alignment and bends the matrix to where they're wanting to go. Come back to this video when your win plays out. You'll see in the comments on our last videos, we had thousands of people going into this activation. Once you have your win, let us know in the comments. And I also look forward to working closer with you in our Manifestation Accelerator. I'll see you over in the next video.